Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Vizag Arts World. In today's video, I will show you how to create a beautiful sunset landscape painting on a small piece of cardboard paper. This is a simple and a beginner friendly watercolor painting, so let's get started. First, I paint the entire background using a bright orange color. I apply the paint evenly to create a warm sunset sky. Then I blend a slightly darker orange end with the yellow color near the top to add depth and make the sky look more realistic. So here it is. And now I paint the distant land using a black acrylic paint. This creates a strong mountains view with the small mountains and makes the sunset stand out beautifully. I also add the shoreline to separate the sky from the water. Now I paint the water and add gentle horizontal strokes to create the look of the calm waves. These small details make the lake appear more natural. After that, I paint two coconut trees in the foreground. I make one tree slightly curved to give the composition a more, and now add some grass at the bottom of the coconut tree. This final touch complete the painting and make the landscape look more lively. So here it is. And now add some grass highlights on the mountain view also. And next, I paint the sun near the horizon, and I also add its reflections on the water using white and light yellow strokes. This reflection creates a peaceful evening atmosphere. Finally, I add small birds flying in the sky, and these finishing touches complete the painting and make the landscape look more lively. And that's it, our beautiful sunset landscape painting is completed. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel Vizag Arts World. Thank you so much for watching.